Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to make a file public in Google Drive. So if you want to make a file public in Google Drive, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is you have to click on my drive. Then once you click on my drive, then you can simply access the file you want to make public. So once you access the file, just go right in front of the file, then click on this more option or the three dot icon. Still the same thing, the three dot icon or the more option icon, tap on it, then tap on share, then click on share again. Now from here, general access, make sure that you change this from restricted to anyone with a link. Then once you set this, anyone that has the link to this particular file, we share with them, we have access to this file, and this file is made public. But if it is set to be restricted, then there will be a permission whenever they want to have access, right? And which means the file is not made for public. And that's how to make file public in Google Drive. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and thank you.